Hello guys, I'm moving to web development, until I don't get Windows 10. This is just a theme of Win 10. This is all the work that I made in HTML and CSS. I really don't understand which mistake I made. Do you guys know how to clear this rubbish? This is my first ever website named Oofster, and I think it is pretty simple yet. There are some pages also, let me show you one. There is nothing much to expect, but you can simply learn something from it. I will provide full source code in the description. Knowledge for you. I think that's it. By the way, you are free to ask queries in the description. #programming.